Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth insights into the best products on the market. Today, we've got something truly special to talk about: the Fimemo D30 label maker machine. If you're looking for the best label printer out there, you've come to the right place. The Fimemo D30 is making waves as the go-to label maker for all your labeling needs. With its incredible features and ease of use, it has become the top choice for many. So, let's dive right in and see why it's considered the best. First things first, let's unbox this beauty. Inside the box, you'll find the Fimemo D30 label maker machine, along with some label tape to get you started. It's always nice when a product includes everything you need right out of the box. Hey there! Now, what sets the Fimemo D30 apart from the rest? Well, let me tell you. One of the standout features of the Fimemo D30 is its 2023 upgrade version. It's not only half the weight and size of traditional label makers, but it also boasts a German thermal printhead that increases DPI by 25%. This means you'll get superior print clarity, hassle-free printing, smooth effects, and lightning-fast processing. And here's the best part: no more buying expensive ink, toner, or ribbons. The D30 uses direct thermal technology, which means it's inkless. You can choose from a wide range of thermal colorful label tapes to suit your needs. And the cost is significantly lower compared to most label printers. But wait, there's more. The Fimemo D30 comes with multiple creative functions and convenient label templates. With over 1,000 plus symbols, 60 plus frames, and a variety of fonts, you'll have no trouble creating stunning label stickers. Whether it's icons, texts, tables, symbols, logos, barcodes, QR codes, images, or even voice recognition, this label maker can do it all. Now, let's talk about portability. The Fimemo D30 is a mini-sized wireless Bluetooth-connected label printer. It's incredibly convenient and fast, allowing you to create labels from your smartphone or tablet. Plus, it has a built-in durable and rechargeable battery, so you can take it with you anywhere. The applications of the Fimemo D30 are endless. Whether you need to organize home supplies, mark food expiration dates, classify cosmetics, label school and office files, identify personal items, or create price tags for your small business, the D30 has you covered. Make sure to download the Printmaster app from the App Store. It's where all the magic happens. You can easily connect your D30 to your smartphone via Bluetooth and start designing and printing labels effortlessly. Lastly, don't forget to check out the wide range of label tapes compatible with the Fimemo D30. Whether you need pre-cut labels, continuous paper, or special patterns, Fimemo has you covered. So, there you have it, folks, the Fimemo D30 label maker machine. It's not just a label maker, it's your ultimate labeling solution. If you want the best label printer on the market, look no further. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy labeling!